Is SSD worth the hype? Stay tuned guys, and we are going to find out whether SSD worth the premium price we pay over the conventional hard disk drive. Today we are going to put two identical laptops in a series of real life tests like boot up, copying and app handling. At the end of these tests, we are going to find out who will eventually emerge as winner. So without further ado, let's get started.
Yeah. 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 Yes.
See the results, guys. I don't have to say a word. The SSD powered laptop is a clear winner, finishing the race miles ahead of your normal HDD laptop. To summarize, SSD laptop boots up much faster and saves a lot of time opening up heavy apps. It actually is at least 6 times faster in copying files. On the other hand, to my surprise, SSD did manage to perform well in reopening heavy files. I still have got no clue. If you guys have got some idea, do write it down in the comments below. So guys, I hope you did find the video interesting and informative. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to see more stuff like this. Thank you guys.